Okay, so there is some assembly to do. Not too hard, I guess, but a little overwhelming when you open the box and you're like, oh gosh, I have all this to put together. So after reading the instructions, it's not as bad. This is your bar, your seat that you pull these up, and then you will end up locking. Okay, I can't show you right now, but so this, once you open these, okay, now I don't know why I'm not getting this correctly at all. Anyways, I'm so sorry, I can't do it with one hand. So anyways, it opens into like a position like that. And let me just put that down for a second, because then, as this instruction shows, you will snap this into place where that will go right on top. And then you have to take these little screws here and screw down into the top of the seat so that it attaches to these poles. Of course, this is eventually going to get rusty. It's just, you know, screws. I don't know if this is aluminum. This is, it just, to me, that's going to get rusty. It is what it is, but it comes with, so here's your seat. It's a very hard plastic, so it should wash easy. This is where those little nuts are going to screw through onto your metal frame, is right here. You do have two grab handles. Your instructions are pretty good, and it does come with this, which is a like little handle. I was thinking it was for your tub, so you could like grab onto something when you're sitting down or getting up, but the only thing I see in the instruction is this picture here, where I'm wondering if they're saying to use it to pick up your seat. I'm not sure, but it doesn't show it in the included parts. You don't even see the handle, so it doesn't give it a name. But this pad, it does talk about how you can use it or not use it. So as I've checked out this pad a little more, these little holes here are little punch outs, and they line up with your holes in this. This is adhesive, so that's how you would stick it onto your seat, and it says it's optional. Of course, it would be nice. I also see this wearing down not long after however many showers and sitting on it, and probably going to get a little gross, honestly, but anyways, your feet, you will adjust with this push button system here. So that just slides right into your leg system here to then, you know, of course, I would say heighten your, and you wouldn't be able to use it without, because these edges are rough. You can't put that in your bathtub. So you're going to have to use this heightened pole system here. And so you got 4 of those, and your instructions, and a bag of these, 4 of those, and your seat, your cushion, your handle, and again, lastly, this piece right here, which again, just really hard to do this with like one hand. So, but I think you get the idea. So I hope this helps. This is supposed to be a standard size chair. I've not, of course, put it in the tub yet, but that's our goal, to make sure this fits in a standard tub, because that's what most of us have.
This is the shower seat that I purchased in September of 2024. Today is January the 31st, 2025, and today I was taking a shower using this seat. The weight limit is 400 pounds. I'm not nowhere near 400 pounds, nor am I 350 pounds. So why this failed, I don't know, but as you can see, this is the main locking mechanism to hold the chair in place, but it actually broke in half, clean off, and I have no idea how that broke. And so I missed the window to return this, and I just wanted to put a video out there to see if anybody else tries to purchase this for their loved one or for anyone that is elderly. This is not a good chair. Actually, you can also see up here where it is starting to crack. That's another area where it could have caused someone else to fall. And this spot over here
is good.
Is good. But over here, it's not good. and you could see how it clean just broke off. I fell in the shower and I hit my head. It was quite a distance, you know, to fall, especially for someone who's elderly, or especially for someone who has, you know, mobility issues, or just in pain, or however the situation is. So this is not a good chair to buy.